Hello guys, it's me, Jacera, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes, but some of my slimes are at home. And if you hear my cousin a little scream, he's playing Fortnite.
You shush!
That's fair from him. So, I have one putty slime that I bought, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. Comment down below and subscribe. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with the putty.
Start with the booty.
Let me face it down a little bit. So this is the putty that I have. Sorry, the camera fell. Okay, so this is the putty that I have. It smells good. It doesn't say it's scented. Yeah, it doesn't say it's scented. Smells good. And it makes fart noises. Yeah, of course. That was my cousin. And the next slime, it's a little bitty slime. I made my own container. Whee! Let me take it on the table. And I will be doing an ASMR video, but I need to find my earplugs, whatever.
Not yours, by the way.
Yeah, not mine.
You're mine.
Yeah, it's his. Oh. Sorry. He's acting retarded. And he also has a YouTube channel.
Which you don't know the name of.
Yes, I do.
What is it?
It has the cat thing on it.
Yeah, I don't know the picture.
Yeah, and it says boom something.
Do you remember? It's so funny.
Kaden! Show me your face.
No, freaking. They already know my face.
Oh, sorry about that. Wow, you just made this video fail.
Yeah, you're a fail. You're a fail whatever you want.
You're a fail at slime.
Tell me how many people care about slime.
A lot.
Tell me how many people care about Fortnite.
Not that many.
Almost millions of people care about Fortnite, even more.
Well, millions of people like slime. So it's about the same amount.
No, it is not.
Comment down below if it's the same amount. Because I'm begging you, it should be the same amount. Next slime. This one makes good bubbles. It's a blue slime. It's like a dark blue slime. And this is called cotton candy slime. Woo, bubble. Woo! And my cousin, he is very good at YouTube channel, so you should go like his video. I don't know what his name is, but Kaden, not the beanbag. He's gonna throw the beanbag at me. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna make sure he sees your face.
Oh no!
Hit it! I'm gonna stick on it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, well now it's not gonna be a slime video. It's gonna be called Fighting with My Cousin. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna? What you gonna do?
Bye.
Not today. Oh, God.